Dropping in 3, 2, 1. Oh boy. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to TechSmartt for a very special video. So I've been using my iPhone XS Max for the last year now, and you know what time it is. It's time for the last unboxing of an iPhone 11 Pro Max. And I was actually in Australia, I was in Melbourne for the launch, so could have posted a video, but things have been so crazy and so busy at GMG, so thank you so much for all the support. If you have no idea, it's right up there in the iCard, enough plug-in. Let's hopefully not do this when we did this. So in 2018, the XS Max came out. This was obviously the S model to the iPhone 10. But if we're being honest, by number, the iPhone 11 is really an S model, so this is a US version. Finally one I could actually get with AppleCare, 256 gig. Kind of excited. 11 Pro Max in midnight green was sold out for a while online, and then they just started shipping orders really early when a lot of estimates were into October. So you probably have seen an unboxing, you probably have had one earlier than I've got one, but hey, it's all love with the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So phone here, 3 cameras there. We got our earpods. Please, Apple, next year, none of this, just give us first generation AirPods. I do like the USB-C charging brick, although it's 18 watts, it'll do. I mean, that's pretty standard, but you know, I like to upgrade it, get the 30 watt one. And then of course, the USB-C to lightning cable. This is nice to see. I really like seeing almost the accessories included in the box more than the actual phone. For me, I don't know, just seeing the iPhone 11, it was a little underwhelming, but now that I have it here, and well, now that I can see what happened to my third iPhone XS Max, really just in the last year. So, what is this BS? Just one side this year? Are we going broke here, Apple? Well, we have this frosted glass on the back, so they're claiming it has improved durability, but I gotta be honest, this video is sponsored by Gear 4. So if you guys want to check out the Gear 4 case at Verizon, link down in the description, you can pick them up there. We have an iPhone 11 Pro Max case. They make it for the 11, of course, the 11 Pro. You're covered. And I got it in lime green because the whole thing with Gear 4's case is it includes a material known as D3O. And I'm sure you've probably seen this orange goo, this slime, somewhere on the internet. But what's interesting about it is it's really, really strong upon impact. So it's kind of flexible to the touch, but the minute it hits impact with a quick force, it hardens up and it protects what it needs to protect. So I'm starting this year off right immediately with a case, so my phone last year doesn't look like this year's phone. And I'm not just gonna do a drop test on a phone that came out 3 weeks ago or whenever you're seeing this, but I'm gonna do something a little bit more. I'm gonna do some TechSmartt science with 2 E's. So Gear 4 actually sent me some of their D3O orange goo, and I mean, I always keep a hammer between my legs in traffic. Call me Blueface. And we're gonna see what this goo is really about. I've seen some videos on YouTube. Not gonna say this is new to me. Might be new to you though. And if this case actually does protect the brand new iPhone 11 Pro Max in the color that you probably want, I might even just give it away on Twitter. But it's the holidays. They're coming up soon. All right, so what is this goo? Well, this D3O is this impact, like, resistant goo. I mean, it's like a slime when there's no force vigorously coming at it. It's like back in preschool. Just kidding, I never left. So what's really cool about D3O is you can do that, not really feel any pain. This is it. Like oh, nope, I felt the pain on that one. That one missed, and we did feel that one. But let's wrap it all across the iPhone. So here's an example of D3O. iPhone 11 Pro Max. This left hand is pretty strong. And let's see if there's any damage. Come on, man, just turn on. Don't do Don't do me like this. Just kidding. Read it, read it. It's perfect. I'm sure you've seen a few iPhone 11 videos already on YouTube, so really all that there's left to do is throw the 11 Pro Max in the Gear 4 case, do our classic drop test off a garage, and see if D3O actually stops any damage. Do you think so? My hand thinks so. All right, so we're outside and we have the iPhone 11 Pro Max with the Gear 4 case, and we're gonna see how a drop test goes. We're gonna do 3 different heights. We're gonna do from the pocket, we're gonna do from the head if you were on a call, and we're gonna do above the head. Now I am 6'3", so keep in mind from about here, let's say around 6, maybe 5'11". And then really the pocket one is probably the most casual time you're gonna drop your phone, when you're just reaching for it. You might not have the best grip. iPhone 11 Pro Max, 3 cameras on the back, and this is actually my personal phone. From the pocket, we're gonna aim on the corner, try to get it on the white line, dropping in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Ev, do you see any cracks?
I don't.
Pocket was pretty safe. Can we catch it? Got the Gear 4 case. No worries. All right, so now the second drop. We're gonna go from head height, about 5'12". Well, that'd be 6 feet. About 5'11", dropping in 3, 2, 1. We're gonna go a little higher. Maybe it might be 6. Ooh, now that was a trusty drop. How'd she do? Any cracks?
Nope, still looks good.
Any cracks? Nope. Now I know there's a little funky action going on the back here. Got a little bit of partying going on in the back. Well, just stick to the end. We went a little out of order. 2 out of 2 drops have been really good. Let's see what the 6 foot, how tall? 6'6", 6'7" height drop. 3, 2, oh, that's a back, that's a stretch. 1. I don't know if I want to look. Do we really want to look? Is it? It is. That is impressive. Wow. This case is beat up if you cannot tell, but that's why you'd want to buy this, because if your phone's really getting beat up, this is made out of glass on both sides, just like the XS Max and just like the 10. So that's really what matters. And you get some colors, and all 3 cameras are safe. So now it's really time to figure out how this fares when we huck it off a movie theater building. All right, listen up, children. For some reason, I feel like I'm just PC principal with these glasses. These are not mine. So iPhone 11, it works. It's got the 3 cameras on the back. It even comes in the green, but we can't lose it. So here we go. Dropping in 3, 2, 1. Oh boy. All I'm saying is that was not our target. So by the looks of it, I'm just gonna say right now, vote up in the iCard if you think the iPhone 11 Pro survived. Typically, we've had some interesting results with the park and garage test. This is, I think, about 5 stories, maybe 4 stories. Never know. Does it still work? Even if it's broken, it might still work. So we're back on the 4th drop. It did not survive, but granted, this was a 40 to 50 foot drop. Of course, the Gear 4 case was on, but with the first 3 drops with my personal iPhone 11 Pro Max, everything went perfectly fine. So for most humans that aren't living the crazy exotic lifestyle of just treating your iPhone like a Frisbee, you're covered. But if you're like that 1% of those people that just loves to have a wild time, this is what could happen. Now, what's changing? Well, right in the center here, it's starting to get a little warm. We've all kind of said that. I'm not the only one that's touched this. It's been inside for more than about 10 minutes now. 85 degrees Fahrenheit. 86. So 86 right where the Apple logo is. But now what matters most, your iPhone. See what temperature a non-broken one is. 80. So I can't make any conclusions if the iPhone 11 Pro Max is gonna inflate or explode because of a crazy drop test, but what I can say is the Gear 4 case is what you're gonna want on your 11 Pro, or your 11 Pro Max. Check out the link in the description below or pick it up at Verizon. But that's gonna do it for this kind of late drop test on the iPhone 11 Pro Max. If you guys enjoyed, make sure you get subscribed for the next video. Drop a like if you guys want any more, and let me know in the comments what other iPhone 11 videos you wanna see. I know it's late. I'll catch you guys in the next one.